Hello everyone. In this video, we'll study about the total energy of a satellite and its binding energy. So you have studied about the potential energy, gravitational potential energy. So you can say that gravitational potential energy is equal to the potential energy of the satellite. So therefore, we can write that the formula for potential energy is equal to minus G mass of Earth, mass of satellite upon the radius of the orbit. So just to recall, I'm drawing the diagram again. If you have this Earth, the mass of Earth is capital M. The satellite is revolving around it in this orbit. Mass of the satellite is small m. Radius of the orbit of the satellite is small r, where this is the radius of the Earth and this is the height of the satellite above the Earth's surface. So this is the potential energy of the satellite and the Earth. Now we can write the kinetic energy formula. We know that the kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now when the satellite is moving in its orbit, what will be the velocity? That will be the orbital velocity of the satellite. So I can write the suffix v naught square. Now we know the formula of orbital velocity. The formula for the orbital velocity is under root g m upon r. Near the Earth's surface it comes out to be capital R, but here when it is in the orbit where h is large, so we will write this only. So kinetic energy is equal to half m g m upon r. Squaring will cancel the square root, so this gives us half g m upon r. So if we mark this equation as 1, this equation as 2, the total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, and this can be written as minus g m upon r plus half g m upon r. I can take this g m upon r common. So inside the bracket what will remain? Minus 1 plus half. So this will become minus half inside the bracket. So the result will be minus g m upon 2r. So this is the total energy of the satellite in an orbit. This is the kinetic energy and this is the potential energy, right? So if a satellite is in the orbit, it has this much total energy. So that means, let me first rub this. That means if we want the satellite to leave the orbit and reach infinity, how much energy is required by the satellite? That we are going to discuss here. See, the term total energy is minus g m m upon 2r. What does this mean? This means this negative sign shows that the satellite is bound to Earth here, right? So the binding is strong enough, and that means due to the attractive force. Right? And we know this is an important point which we are discussing now, that at infinity potential energy is, what is the formula? Minus g m m upon r. So at infinity potential energy is 0. Kinetic energy is minus plus half g m m upon r. That is also 0. So you can say total energy is also 0. So at infinity, to reach infinity, how much energy should be supplied to the satellite to make it 0? Because we know that at infinity, total energy is 0. In orbit, how much is the total energy? It is minus g m m upon 2r. That means how much energy is required for the satellite to have 0 total energy? Obviously equal to this and sign opposites. So therefore plus g m m upon 2r energy needs to be supplied to satellite to make total energy 0. To make total energy 0, which is at infinity. So how do we define binding energy? On the basis of this discussion, we are defining binding energy. Binding energy, as the literal meaning gives, binding energy is the energy by which it is bound towards the earth. But technically, binding energy is the energy which is required to be given to the satellite to send it to infinity, right? And that is clear by this discussion that this much energy is to be supplied to send it to infinity. So that means the binding energy is plus gmm upon 2r, which is opposite in sign to the total energy, right? So now we are defining binding energy. The energy required by a satellite to leave its orbit and reach infinity is called binding energy of a satellite, right? So with our discussion, it is clear that binding energy is equal to negative of total energy, and this is actually minus of minus Gmm upon 2R, and this gives us plus Gmm upon 2R. So this is the binding energy of a satellite. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.